How to learn more about security on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or how to learn more about your security on your Facebook application. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And here, go to your setting by click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And click on the second option, which is password and security. And now scroll down and you're gonna find the second before the last, which is learn more about security. And this is it. What can I do to keep my Facebook account secure? So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.